Upwork Online Job Platform Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to today's review of Upwork, one of the largest freelancing platforms for remote work. Links to Upwork are in the description, so check them out if you're looking to hire talent or start your freelance career. Upwork connects freelancers with businesses across various industries, including writing, programming, graphic design, marketing, customer support, and more. It's designed for both entry-level freelancers and experienced professionals, allowing them to find short-term gigs, long-term contracts, or even full-time remote positions. The platform operates on a bidding system where freelancers submit proposals to job postings. Clients review applications and select the best fit. Upwork offers a work diary and time tracker to ensure transparency for hourly projects, and fixed-price contracts are secured through milestone-based payments to protect both parties. Payments are processed through Upwork's escrow system, adding an extra layer of security. Freelancers can build credibility by earning positive reviews, obtaining rising talent or top-rated badges, and showcasing a strong portfolio. Clients, on the other hand, benefit from detailed freelancer profiles, job success scores, and verified work history, helping them make informed hiring decisions. One of Upwork's standout features is its project catalog, allowing freelancers to list predefined services at fixed rates. This gives clients the ability to purchase services directly without the need for a bidding process. The platform does have some downsides. Upwork fees can be high, with freelancers paying 5 to 20% in commissions, depending on their earnings with a specific client. Additionally, competition is fierce, especially in popular categories like graphic design and writing, requiring new freelancers to optimize their profiles and craft strong proposals to land jobs. Overall, Upwork is a solid platform for freelancers looking for remote work and businesses in need of global talent. It offers a secure environment, flexible job opportunities, and tools to ensure smooth project collaboration. If you're interested, check out the links in the description and start exploring Upwork today.